Elite schools offer outstanding educational experiences, robust extracurricular activities, and unparalleled networking opportunities. While they are often associated with high costs, it's essential to understand that elite education doesn't exclusively reside within Ivy League institutions. Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel. In this informative video, we will guide you through some clever strategies and resources that can help your child get into an outstanding school in the USA without draining your wallet. So let's dive into the video. Researching schools. When it comes to finding the best elite school in the US without breaking the bank, thorough research is essential. Start by identifying your priorities and what you are looking for in a school. Consider factors such as academic reputation, extracurricular activities, class sizes, and location. The internet is a treasure trove of information when it comes to researching schools. Begin by visiting school websites to gather basic details about their programs and offerings. Look for reviews and testimonials from current and former students or parents on educational forums or social media platforms. Don't forget to consult trusted educational resources like US News and World Report's annual rankings of top schools across various categories. These rankings can provide valuable insights into a school's academic performance, faculty quality, and overall prestige. Additionally, consider reaching out directly to schools that interest you. Attend virtual open houses or schedule informational interviews with admissions officers who can answer your questions regarding financial aid options or scholarship opportunities. Applying to schools. The application process for elite schools can be daunting, but with careful planning and preparation, you can increase your child's chances of admission. Here are some tips on how to navigate the application process without breaking the bank. Start by researching various school options in your area. Look beyond big-name institutions and consider smaller, lesser-known schools that may offer excellent academic programs at a more affordable cost. Don't limit yourself to just one or two options. Cast a wide net and explore all possibilities. Once you have identified potential schools, thoroughly review their admissions requirements and deadlines. Pay close attention to any specific criteria they may have regarding test scores, extracurricular activities, essays, or interviews. Tailor your child's application materials accordingly to showcase their strengths and unique qualities. Scholarships and financial aid. Scholarships and financial aid are crucial aspects to consider when looking for the best elite school without the elite money. Many prestigious schools offer scholarships and financial aid programs that can make these institutions more accessible to students from diverse backgrounds. To start, researching different scholarship opportunities is essential. Many organizations, both local and national, provide scholarships specifically for high-achieving students with limited financial resources. Explore websites dedicated to scholarship searches or reach out directly to the schools you are interested in attending. When applying for scholarships, it's important to be thorough and organized. Pay close attention to deadlines and requirements, as each scholarship may have specific criteria that need to be met. Providing strong recommendation letters, writing compelling essays, and showcasing your talents through portfolios or auditions can significantly enhance your chances of receiving financial assistance. Exploring charter and magnet schools. When it comes to finding the best elite school in the US without breaking the bank, exploring charter and magnet schools can be a game changer. These types of schools offer unique educational opportunities that are often on par with traditional elite institutions, but at a fraction of the cost. Charter schools are publicly funded but operate independently, allowing them to have more flexibility in their curriculum and teaching methods. They often focus on specific areas such as arts, technology, or science. Magnet schools, on the other hand, are public schools with specialized programs designed to attract students from different neighborhoods or districts. One advantage of charter and magnet schools is that they can provide access to excellent education for families who may not have been able to afford private schooling otherwise. These schools often have rigorous academic standards and offer various extracurricular activities. To explore these options further, start by researching charter and magnet schools in your area. Look into their academic programs, faculty qualifications, resources available for students' holistic development, and success rates in college admissions. Leveraging community and local resources. When it comes to finding the best elite school in the US without breaking the bank, One strategy that can prove invaluable is leveraging community and local resources. Your neighborhood may have hidden gems that offer quality education at a fraction of the cost. Start by reaching out to local organizations such as libraries, community centers, or youth clubs. These establishments often host workshops or programs that focus on academic enrichment. They might even have partnerships with nearby schools or scholarship opportunities available exclusively for local students. Additionally, don't overlook the power of networking within your own community. Connect with other parents who share similar goals and aspirations for their children's education. By pooling together resources and knowledge, you can uncover affordable educational options that may not be widely known. Consider exploring extracurricular activities offered through nonprofit organizations or after-school programs in your area. Many of these programs provide access to talented instructors who can supplement your child's learning experience outside of traditional school hours. Considering online and hybrid learning options. In today's digital age, online and hybrid learning options have become increasingly popular. These innovative approaches to education provide a flexible and affordable alternative to traditional brick-and-mortar schools. With the right resources and support, you can find the best elite school for your child without breaking the bank. Online learning allows students to access high-quality education from anywhere in the world. Whether your child is interested in STEM subjects or wants to pursue their passion for the arts, there are numerous virtual academies that offer specialized programs tailored to their interests. Hybrid learning combines online coursework with face-to-face instruction, providing a balance between flexibility and social interaction. Networking and building connections. Networking and building connections can be instrumental in finding the best elite school for your child without having to rely solely on elite money. By reaching out to people who have knowledge and experience in the education field, you can gain valuable insights and recommendations. Start by networking with parents whose children attend or have attended elite schools. They can provide first-hand information about the quality of education, extracurricular activities, and overall school culture. Local community organizations related to education can also be great resources for connecting with experts who can guide you through the process. Focusing on long-term value of education. When it comes to finding the best elite school in the U.S. without the elite money, it's important to consider the long-term value of education. While prestigious schools often have a high price tag, there are other factors that can determine the quality and worth of an education. One key aspect to consider is the reputation and accreditation of a school. Look for schools that are known for their academic excellence and have a track record of producing successful graduates. This can be determined through research, reading reviews, and talking to alumni. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.